Good morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Monday, November 16th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today and Wednesday, the pause cart will be out for students that have earned perfect attendance. Ask your teacher today if you qualify to pick up a prize. Remember that if you would like to earn prizes in the future, you have to attend every live Zoom session. The pause cart will be out by the cafeteria and will be open from 10:45 to 12:15. This week, all classes will have virtual awards assemblies for the first trimester. Students in each grade will earn awards such as citizenship, most improved, and top academic achievement. All award winners will be able to pick up their certificates and award prizes from 10:45 to 12:15 as follows. TK, kindergarten, and first grade on Monday, second and third on Tuesday, fourth and fifth on Wednesday. All awards will be able to be picked up at the cafeteria car loop. If you are unable to pick up the awards at that time, you may pick up your awards beginning on Thursday in our Palla office between the hours of 7:30 to 4 o'clock. Since we still need many more students to submit their school pictures, we are extending the dates to upload your photos. Please use the link on the student webpage to upload your photo today. We want to make sure everyone's picture is in the yearbook, so please don't forget to get this done. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla Pause Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a shout out to students that are showing their pause for specific expectations. Last week, we focused on the A for Achieve Goals by showing improvement on the STAR test or ESGI. Here are the students from each class that showed improvement.
Our Bulldog Shoutouts. Our focus, achieve goals by showing improvement on STAR and ESGI. Pre-K team. TK Shoutouts for growth on ESGI. Keep learning and working hard. Kindergarten Shoutouts. First grade student shoutouts. You are amazing. You followed your pause this week and achieved your goals on the STAR test. Way to rock. Who will get a shout out next week? Find out next Monday. Second grade, great improvement on the STAR test. Third grade, trimester 1, improved STAR scores in math and reading. Fourth grade student shoutouts. Fifth grade student shoutouts. You all made outstanding growth in STAR reading and math. We are so proud of you.
When we return from Thanksgiving, our shout out focus will be on the S for stay on task by completing all of your work in Google Classroom. We will find out when we return who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. Students, please remind your parents to take the survey that was sent out last week about returning to school in January. We want to make sure we know who will be returning to school and who will be staying home and continuing with distance learning. The last day to submit the survey is Wednesday, November 18th. Since next week is the Thanksgiving break holiday, there will be a minimum day on Friday. We will only have classes in the morning. Remember, there will be no school from Monday, November 23rd to Friday, November 27th. please remember to celebrate Thanksgiving safely. During a Thanksgiving week vacation, Palla Cafeteria will offer breakfast and lunch pickup on Monday, November 23rd and Wednesday, November 25th. Remember, you can pick up your breakfast and lunches from 10:45 to 12:15 on these days. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla YouTube channel for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.